For this story, we're going to focus on cause and effect. I know we've done that in the past. I just wanted to kind of go through it again in this story because there are very clear examples of cause and effect, and it's something that you guys should recognize, okay? So, as I go through the pages, I'm going to look for things that happen, okay? Those are the effects. Causes are what make them happen. So, the sound of something hitting the window woke Kim up. There's already an example of a cause and effect. So the cause was something hit the window, ping, 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 and the effect was Kim woke up. Okay, now if I keep reading, Kim peeked outside, the trees were coated with ice, the yard sparkled. Keep going. Mom, why is everything covered in ice? That's a good question. Oop, I got another one. The air is very cold, so the raindrops freeze when they land on cold surfaces like signs, trees, and roads. So the cause is the air being cold. The effect, what happens because the air is cold, the raindrops freeze when they land on surfaces. Okay? So that's another example of cause and effect. I'll look for one more. Mom turned on the TV. A winter storm has hit. Freezing rain is making streets and roads icy. Oh, there we go. Our cause is freezing rain is making those streets and roads icy. So the effect, you should stay inside. Why are we staying inside? Because the streets are icy. Very nice. All right, what we have a snow day, you mean an ice day. Suddenly the lights went out. I guess some icy tree branches broke, said Mom. They must have knocked down the power lines. Now, what do you think the cause and effect is in that event? Well, I always go with effect first. What happened? The the power went out. Why did the power went out? Because icy tree branches broke and hit it. Perfect. Cause and effect is pretty simple. I'm going to go down to the very end of the story and I'm going to see if what we have so far is correct. Here's our chart. The air was very cold as a cause. The effect, raindrops froze on cold surfaces. We said that one. The cause, branches broke, power lines fell. The effect, there was no electricity or lighting. So we did a great job finding cause and effect in this story. I want you guys on the next slide to see if you could find a cause and effect on one of the other pages that I'm going to give you.